How are you? I'm fine. Where else? I'm at the office as usual. How are you doing? No, 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 babe. No, no. I have a meeting to attend actually, and you know I love you so much, and I wouldn't want to keep you waiting when you come. Yeah. Babe, there's no point. There's no point to come to the house. Listen, I took the keys with me, so uh, listen. I'll let you know when I come back. Okay? I'll just let you know when I come back. All right. Okay. All right. Take care. Bye. Hi.
I'm sorry I kept you waiting. Today's service was wonderful. You should come one day.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize. It's always important to put God first.
Thank you.
Let's go. Get in.
Okay.
I, why, Ay, when you get the money, everybody go follow you. Ay, if you no get the money, everybody go run away. But the truth to be said, the money we find, Papa. If you get the money, make you go and thank your God. Cause man, we not getting money. They see something, they see something.
What just happened? Where is he?
Beg, you don't lose them, madam. You won't lose them.
You don't lose him.
Don't lose them, I beg.
But you have just one job to drive behind him with seriousness. How could you lose him?
Wait, no, I beg, I beg.
Now where did he go?
I don't know. I don't know.
Drive forward. And don't you lose him again if you ever find him. You know what? Just turn. Turn.
What is it?
Baby, I miss you. Listen, you know it's been a long time. You won't even let me touch you. Why?
Babe, do you know my religion forbids sex before marriage? Fornication is a sin and you know it.
I know, but I'm trying to hold myself. But I miss you, and listen. I just want us to be together a little. Just let me touch you a little bit.
Stop! Stop! I can't. Except you want me to please you and displease God.
I'm not asking you to displease God. I'm just saying I miss you and I want you close to me. Don't you understand?
Stop. I'll come down from this bed. Oh. I'll come down. Stop it. Baby, I love you. And if you love me as you claim, you wait for that fateful night. Why is it so hard for you?
Faithful night. Which faithful night? Okay then, let's wait for the faithful night.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
What?
Shift.
Shift? To where?
Shift. Because space. Shift. I want to enter my body.
But this is my room, oh. On my bed.
I'll go to the parlor. Shift.
Hey. Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Hold on. Who's it? Oh, shit.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, babe.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
You didn't call to tell me you were coming. I wasn't expecting to see you.
I did. I called like 10 times. You didn't pick. You didn't return my calls.
Oh, yeah. Oh, babe, sorry. I was busy. I was busy. How are you? I missed you.
I'm fine. Let's go in.
Oh, no, babe. I was actually on my way out before you arrived.
You are?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yes. I'm going out.
You're not dressed.
I am. It's urgent. I need to be somewhere quickly.
Dressed like this, you're not dressed.
Babe, I want to be like this, alright? You don't have to ask questions. Would you like to join me?
Oh, do you have your car keys there?
Yes. No, yeah. Babe, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'll take care of it. Let's go.
Are you crazy? Why are you laughing like a goat?
Madam, I just remembered the film I watched last night.
Where's my man?
He just left the house.
Left. He was wearing his nightwear.
That is how he left.
He left without telling me. Are you sure you don't know where he went to? Nothing you know. Are you stupid? What are you looking at? Come on, go back to what you're doing. Idiot. There's nothing you know, little bit. Come on! You're lucky I'm praying the rosary.
Are you okay?
Babe, you asked me to stop the car.
Yes, because you are clearly sweating under the air conditioner. And your expressions give you away. Your expressions show that you're uncomfortable.
Baby, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Why the questions?
Let's talk about the girl I saw you with some days ago.
Girl? Which girl? Girl? What girl is that?
The girl you picked in front of a church. About the same time I called you to check up on you, there was a girl that you hugged and she entered your car afterwards.
Oh! Sister Maka. Babe. That was my mother's sister's daughter. Yes, she came into town for a program. So she didn't know her way to church, so she asked me to pick her up and show her the church, so I did. Yeah. I'm sorry, that wasn't deliberate, okay? It's just...
So if she's someone that's close to your family, why didn't you tell me the truth? Why did you lie saying you were in your office when clearly you were not in your office?
Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't think of it. It wasn't deliberate. I didn't just lie to you.
It's okay. I'm over it now.
Are you sure?
We can keep going.
Are you sure? You're okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Go on.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Are you?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm just.
Okay.
So, how come you didn't tell me you saw me?
Well, it's part of the reason I visited today. I still don't understand why you had to go out looking too casual. This is too casual.
Babe, you have started again. Are you okay? Babe, are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're waiting for the food to come. I'm hungry.
We're here to eat?
Yes, we are.
Seriously?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Is this a plot to embarrass me? Because you know I hate to eat outside when I can cook. Hillary, what is the matter with you these days? Especially on this particular day. First, I visited you and then you hurriedly entered your car, dressed this shabbily, and then you took a long drive round about town with me and you ended up here just so you can order fast food when you know that I'd rather cook and stock your entire refrigerator with food.
But babe, there's nothing wrong with how I'm dressed.
There is something wrong with it. It's too shabby. People wear the... Hillary? I won't be eating. You can go ahead.
Babe, listen, I'm sorry I had to bring you here, but I just wanted to try something different. But I'm sorry, I apologize. It's not going to happen again. But babe, there's nothing wrong with how I'm dressed. So, do you still love me?
Excuse me?
I've been meaning to ask you, do you love me or you love my money?
Whoa, what? What kind of a question is that, Hillary?
I just want to know.
If I love you or your money, would I look to you like a girl that will be into a man for money?
It's just a question, babe. Just let me know. Do you love
An
me?
embarrassing question. I feel insulted this minute.
Babe, don't feel bad about this. I'm just saying, all right? Just tell me the truth. Do you love me or you love my money?
Oh, Jesus.
I want to know how genuine you are. Don't feel embarrassed. I just want to know if you love me or you love my money. Just pick one. Just tell me.
If it's going to satisfy your curiosity, then yes, I love you.
All right, then done. Let's wait for the food to come then. That's all. Thank you for saying it. I love you
this
too.
is too much absurdity for one day. I'm just gonna go. I'll catch you later.
Babe, don't take this too serious now.
It's your food. As for me, I'm...
Babe.
Bye-bye.
Babe, wait, babe, listen, babe. Babe.
Are you mad? Why touching me with that dirty thing? Are you stupid?
I'm sorry, ma. It was a mistake.
Get out from here! You're lucky I'm praying the rosary. Fool.
Hey, babe. Are you okay? Listen, I'm sorry, something came up. I had an emergency.
An emergency that stopped you from picking my call and even switching it off on me. Don't blame me.
I sincerely apologize for that. I had an emergency and You know what? What can I do to make it up to you? What can I do to make you happy?
promised me a car. I'm wondering why you've not fulfilled your promise.
I was going to surprise you on your birthday.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here, I love you. Thank you. Don't worry, I'll pray for you, okay?
You're going to pray for me?
Yeah, thank you. Don't worry, just go up, I'll pray for you.
So what are you going to pray about?
Of course, I'll pray for God to give you more money now. So you buy me another car. Thank you.
Alright, let's go upstairs and pray together.
But I'm still praying here.
Yeah, let's go upstairs and pray together. Come on, get up.
Thank you, baby.
Get up. Let's go and pray together. Go and pray upstairs. Okay?
Thank you.
When you get to money.
Beautiful wife. Mama, I've done cleaning the house and washing all the... I trust you. Don't worry. My son will marry you. Thank you, Mama. You will make the best wife for him. And I know he will like you. I can't even wait to be your daughter-in-law. Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. Mama, is there any other house chores I can help you do? No. You've already done everything. You need to go home and rest now. Okay, Mama. Thank you so much.
Don't even mention don't finish that rubbish that you want to say. Don't finish it. See, let me tell you. The earlier you stop fooling yourself and parading yourself here is better for you. Quit, it will not work.
What is wrong with you?
And Mama, everything is wrong with me. Everything is wrong with me. This girl is very local for my brother. I ain't not see what I'm
Shut up! Before I shut it for you. What do you know? Oh, you think that marriage is all about class and appearance?
Mama, don't mind her. What is even wrong with you? Mama, you need to lecture her. My dear, Mama, do not worry. My brother will definitely marry you.
Bam, sure. Okay, Mama. I have to be on my way now. Let me be going, Mama.
Why not join us?
No, come and sip small. No, Mama. No, Mama. I'm fine. Thank you, Mama. Don't worry. Okay. Take care of yourself, okay? Here. Nothing will stop this. Nothing. And you, Mama, the earlier you take Chijima as your brother's wife, the better for you.
Never. Mama, it will not happen. Hey! Why am I even stressing myself? I trust my brother. He will definitely make a good choice for himself. Not this dirty, smelling rag. Allow your brother make the choice for himself.
Thank
You can never tell. You don't even know whether he'll fall in love with her.
Madam.
Imagine your sister.
Mama, you talk as if this is the first time of you seeing her behave like that. You know that's how she behaves when it comes to matters concerning Hillary. You don't even know who made her his special advisor.
Nonsense. Leave your sister, let her be. I am sure that very soon she will begin to love this girl.
I pray. I'm seeing her.
This is the girl that I want my son to marry, and nobody will stop that. She's so humble, so loyal. She can do everything without even me talking. She's not stressing me.
She's hardworking, Mama.
What else do I want?
When you get the money, everybody go follow you. If you know get the money, everybody go run away. But the truth to be said, the money we find, Papa. You get the money, make you go and thank your God.
Jimma. I hope all is well. Of course, all is well. Yeah. Okay, let me just break it down. If you must know, you are looking at the future wife of Hillary, the only richest guy in this community.
Which Hillary?
Eh? Are you asking me as if you don't know the richest guy in this community? Hillary, the famous guy. That's Mama Joy's son now.
You said?
Mama Joy. I'm using you guys.
Wait. So, this is the reason why you are acting up like this. Like, they told you that you get married to Hillary and you are acting this way. My sister, who told you this big fat lie?
Hey! Oh, Chim. Well, if I see jealousy, I will know. But if you must know, I'm just coming back from the house right now. His mother and his two sisters just assured me that he's going to marry me. And I just finished speaking with him on phone. Hey, baby girl, you need to see how lovely his voice sound. Well, you know what? Soon, I'll be leaving this village for these two old gossips standing before me.
Excuse me, Cherry. Hope you're not referring to us as two gossips.
Hey, you can hope you're not referring. Nne! Who else? If not you two fools standing before me, spreading their faces as if they have had the unexpected facts.
If not that you are fair,
try it! I will not tell you who I am. I am Hillary's wife. Watch me. I am Hillary's wife. I am Hillary's wife. You two should go and die. Hillary will marry me. If you eat equality,
Do you know why I have hope? You don't have nyash. You don't even have anything. Aki!
Nonsense. What is that?
Maybe because of home training, I would have dealt with you today. Rubbish. Wait for me now.
Everybody go follow you. Aye. If you no get money, everybody go run away. But the truth to be said, the money we find, Papa. If you get the money, make you go and thank your God. Cause man, when not getting money, they see something. Man, when not getting money, while they for a month. Man, when not getting money, nobody want time at all. Man, when I get money, nothing when you do, what they seem right. Yeah.
Babe, I don't feel comfortable. I think I need to use the restroom. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be fine. Here's my card in case you need to pay for the items.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Let me use the restroom, okay?
Alright.
Okay. I think I need this. Yeah. So, you can check the things I have. Okay.
Hey, babe, I'm done.
Okay,
I
babe.
feel better now.
Thank you.
You don't pay?
No, these are the things I picked.
No, it's okay. Just pay.
Oh, sorry. Forget my manners. How are you feeling now?
I said I'm better.
Okay, thank you.
You know, I'll just wait for you in the car. Okay?
Alright, I'm coming. So, how much, please, fast, eh?
Everything is 12,005.
Alright, take. Oh, babe.
Hey.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, I am. Are you done?
Okay, yes.
Can we go?
Thank you for taking me out.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Alright.
Norma and Chidera, look at how you guys are looking beautiful.
Ijoma, you are looking beautiful as well. Look at your clothes. Nice one.
Hey, but not as fresh as you two. I mean, hey, look at your hair. And look at your skin. Beautiful.
I hear you. It's fine. We appreciate your praises. But don't forget we are humans. You're praising us like gods.
Hey, I pray to God in my next life, I pray that God will give me rich brother, very rich brother like yours.
Hey, IJ. Amen. 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 Okay, fine. Do you know you can, why not pray to God and tell God to make you rich instead? You can be a rich woman.
Big woman. Whichever one it is, fine. But in my next life, I will not come back to this poverty. I will be very, very rich.
Sorry. Amen. God will do it for you.
Amen.
Okay, fine. Start working towards it. You can start selling tomato, mango, or anything that will fetch you money. Cashew. Anything. God will help you.
Because if you can leave that one, just come out from that impossible track you are heading to. Come out from it.
Okay.
I know that you guys are trying to make me, you are trying to give me hope. Thank you. Thank you both. But it will only be possible if I'm lucky like Jimma, who is about getting married to your elder brother.
Which is less Jimma? Who told you that one?
Jimma said it herself. Yes, I wasn't the only one that heard it. She has been moving around the village telling people that she's getting married to your elder brother.
It's a lie. Wait, you mean she has been parading herself saying this nonsense?
You didn't hear that?
She will never. you've even
She even said that you and your sister has approved and your mother.
Ijoma, I'll see you later. Wait for me, Chidera.
But she said... She's not marrying your brother. Okay. Right.
Ijoma.
How are you now?
Ijoma, how are you now? Hope all is well.
All is well. I met Norma and Chidera on their way going home. So we engaged in a discussion. Hey man, I deliberately chip in on how Jemma has been parading herself on how their brother is going to get married to them.
So what happened?
Guess what, Nemo?
What?
Chidera didn't hesitate to dispute the claims. She said her brother will never get married to Jemma. Okay. Now what she's just saying is fake news. That she's spreading fake news, you know?
I've always known this. I've always known that girl Jemma, she has been fooling herself.
Yes.
I just wish that she will realize this on time and retrace her step before she regrets this thing in future.
No. Allow her, let her be. Just let her be. Because I want her to experience the fullness of it. You know Jemma is not the kind of person who give her advice. It is better she watch things unfold before her own very eyes.
You're a very bad person. I'm going home. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh God, you like G? Oh, let's go now.
Hey, when you get the money, everybody go follow you. Hey, if you no get the money, everybody go run away.
Okay, don't let me fall now. Don't let me fall. But why are you asking me to shut my eyes?
Because I have a surprise.
Don't worry, it's my house. But don't let me fall. Because it's not going to be fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's your house.
Alright, let's go. Should I open my eyes now?
No.
Alright, eyes closed. Just tell me when to open my eyes. My eyes are still closed. Should I open them now?
No.
Alright then. Open now.
No.
Please, what are you showing me? Okay, so another stairs.
Yes.
Wait. This is okay, I have it. Open my eyes now?
No, not yet.
Why?
Not yet, we're almost there. Come just.
Okay, one level down.
Yes.
Another level down.
Yes. Last one.
Another level down. Okay. I know. Turn to my right. Should I open my eyes now?
No, not yet.
Oh,
not yet. We're
Lord.
almost there. Just
Okay.
you.
Okay, so
No, just
what should I do next?
calm down.
But what's
Calm
up?
down, okay? No, just
Okay.
You can open it now.
I should open my eyes.
Yes.
I should open my eyes. Okay, eyes open then. Boop. What? What's this?
Open it first.
Is this how you spend my money? Buying gifts? Okay, so what's this?
Open.
What's inside?
Open it. You're there.
A wristwatch. I don't like wristwatches.
But you like this one?
Yeah, I mean it's fine.
Okay, you know you're very rich and I haven't seen you got a wristwatch yourself, so I decided to get you one.
Thank you. I really do appreciate this, alright?
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I love you so very much. I don't know what I would have done without you in my life.
I love you too, and you'll always be in my heart.
Are you proposing?
Proposing? No. Oh, I mean, I will, but not now.
Okay, I will. I will wait.
You will?
Mhm.
Oh, cool. I don't like wristwatches though.
I know. That's why I got it for you. Let me even help you to wear it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You like the wine?
Mm-hmm.
It's French. Hmm.
Nice. Oh,
Wow.
I like it.
I know you love it.
Just like I love you.
I love you too.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I do. You don't believe me?
Who are we going to ask?
Ask me.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to ask you.
All right, go ahead. What?
When are you proposing?
Huh? Proposing?
Yes. I said, when are you proposing to me?
Babe, don't you have something on the fire?
Babe, there's nothing on the fire. And please don't divert the discussion. Don't change it. Don't. Do not. Tell me. When will you propose?
All right, let's go inside and I'll tell you when.
You can't tell me here.
Let's go. Let's go and I'll tell you when.
You choose where to tell me.
Come here. I'll tell you when I will propose to you.
Oh, you.
Tina, please get the door.
Sorry, pardon.
Get the door.
Good day, Mr. Hilary.
Good day, sir.
Good day, gentlemen. What can I do for you?
I believe you know why we're here. The proposed time given for our contract has exceeded. And since you could no longer repay the 200 million naira loan you took from the bank manager, alongside other board of directors, have reached a conclusion that you leave this house as soon as possible. Yes, you are to vacate this house within 24 hours and you are leaving with nothing. Secondly, from today onwards, you are never to step your foot into any of your 5 companies. If any of these instructions is violated, you'll be charged with a crime of trespassing into government property. And a jail sentence awaits you, Mr. Hilary.
Babe, please, can you tell me what is going on here? Can someone explain to me what is going on here?
Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't tell you. It's
Don't tell me that all that this man just said is true.
Yes, it's the truth. I've been depressed for a while and I've been trying to tell you, but I'm sorry, I'm just telling you now.
Babe.
Okay, Mr. Hilary,
Baby, please, don't sign this paper, please, I beg you. The moment you do, everything that belongs to you, everything that you own is gone. Please don't. Our lives will be miserable.
Mr. Hilary.
Baby, please.
I'm sorry, I have to sign it.
No, you don't have to.
I have to.
You do not have to.
I'll get into serious trouble if I don't sign it, so I have to. I'm sorry.
Don't, please, don't do it. Our life will be miserable. Our life will be miserable, please.
Thank you. We'll be here tomorrow morning by 8 o'clock to lock up the building. So I'll advise you be ready by then to avoid unnecessary embarrassment. Good day.
Okay, please don't tell me. What can we do? Can you extend it, please? Okay, please. You shouldn't have signed it. You shouldn't have. How are we going to survive?
I'm sorry, I have. For a while now, I've been depressed and I didn't know how to tell you about this whole thing. But Faith, listen, I'm sorry. Okay, I took money from the bank and I tried to invest it, but I lost the money. And this is the only way I can, stay out of jail. So, but I strongly believe I would bounce back. Okay?
How?
I will. But in the meantime, I think you should pack your things and leave. We have to leave this place so that we don't get embarrassed, please. Tina! Tina!
Sir.
Tina, I'm sorry to tell you this. There's a new development. And I'm sorry you would have to pack your things and leave. Okay? I got into trouble with my bank and they're taking the house away from me. So pack your things, leave, and once I sort everything out, I'll call you back, I promise you. But before you leave, I'll give you your monthly pay, okay?
Okay, sir. Just wake me up from this trance. Just wake me up. Tell me I'm dreaming. Like I am dreaming. I know I'm dreaming, baby. Wake me up, please. Please wake me up. Wake me up. Wake me up.
Why are you playing such an expensive game? You shut down your company and everything that has to do with you. Why?
You won't understand.
Then make me understand. Hilary, you went too far. Just take a look at yourself. Who would believe that a wealthy guy like you would subject himself to this?
Ikenna, I'm sorry I didn't tell you. I have loads of girlfriends. I have met all kinds of beautiful women in my life. But I'm not satisfied. I can't find the right one. But I have a plan. And that plan is to subject all the women around me to a life of uncertainty. I want to make them suffer. I want to pretend to them. That way, I'll find the right one.
Then how are you going to do all that?
I intend to subject all the women around me to a life of uncertainty. I want to make them suffer. I want to make them understand what life is about. I want to make them understand the depth of life. And something tells me, after this crucial test, the right one would emerge, and I'll make her my wife.
Baby, love me for who I am. Did not love me just because of what I have. What I need is a woman that will feel this backing. Yeah, I am tired of fake love. What I need now is true love, yeah. So I need someone who will love me selflessly. Under the rain, under the sun, she will be with me, no matter the weather.
Come! Hilary! Come here. How come? How did you condescend to this level? Come on, man, this compound and the environment looks scary.
Ikenna,
Henceforth, no cars. If you have to visit me, no cars. Alright? If you want to be my friend, you have to look like me. You have to act like me. You have to dress up like me. Yes, you have to come down to my level.
Hillary, listen. You do not expect me to dress like a palm wine tapper. Come on, man. At least there are beautiful places around. Like there, I can get you an apartment, a comfortable apartment. Not here. Just take a look. This compound alone is not conducive health-wise. Come on.
And you think I can't afford a comfortable apartment? Listen. You have to listen to me. If not, stay away from me. Don't blow up my cover.
Well, that's not possible. I cannot condescend to your level. That is not possible, Hillary.
Alright, that's fine then. Then stay away from me until my mission here is accomplished.
Hey, Hillary, come on, man. Come on. I am only watching out for you. Okay, it's alright. It's alright.
Are you coming or not?
It's okay. I'm behind you.
Come now, make yourself comfortable. Sit down. Sit down.
I'm okay.
Ikenna, sit down. What can I offer you?
Nothing. I'm okay. You don't have to bother.
Well, thank God. I was going to buy things on credit, by the way.
On credit?
Yeah.
Hilario!
Hey.
Hilary, my man! I been.
What's up?
I didn't find guy. Ah, what's up now? Guys, how make I chest you? I said dinner. Fine boy. It's like fashion, yeah. And so my guy, I be make a reason you say that woman with the do up, we don't prepare some fresh up. We not the winner.
Yes, tidy, you know.
I don't already tie this soup now.
Sharp.
I don't make small soup with crayfish.
Correct job.
Don't worry, I go run you small.
Tidy,
I don't say hunger dey your body like it's like come to fetch water.
Sharply.
Hey.
Alright, girl. What's wrong with you? Man, pull yourself together now.
Brush it down.
I know your plans.
What is my plan?
Go to the salon.
When I have you. Jima, good morning. Chidera, good morning. What is it?
What is your problem? What is this disease that is disturbing you without cure? You cannot stay one place. Tell me, what have you come here to do?
Please take it easy with me. What have I done again?
Chidera, be calm.
Why
Be
is
calm
she here?
first, at least. Accept her greeting. Answer her.
Jima, you are welcome. Yeah, come on.
Try it. Try it. Come and sit, let me see.
Anyway, Nama, I just came to see if there's anything I can help you.
There is nothing to do. Every day I want to know if there's there is nothing to do. Tell her there's nothing to do.
Chidera, stop it.
Tell her.
Stop it.
Have you swept your own house? Have you washed all the clothes in your every day? You want to impress my mother? Stop!
Stop it. Stop it. Stop all this now? Eh? Why are you always against Jima?
I don't like her. I don't like this girl. I don't like you. I don't like you. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. You're not seeing. Wait. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. See what I'm seeing, no. So this girl is evil. She's not pure. She's a green snake in a green grass. She's a sheep in one clothing. That is what you are. Leave this place. Wait. Leave. Start going. Start going. Start going. Start going.
Jima, don't. Sorry. Oh. Chidera, what is your problem?
That is my problem,
Chidera. That girl is not good for that.
You are evil. Green snake in green. Chidera.
What is your problem?
You're not seeing what I'm seeing. You are blind. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. This girl is evil. Come back here again. My brother will never marry her.
I don't know this kind of fights that you're carrying on your head. What's your problem?
Are you Hillary? Hillary, my brother will marry a good wife. A beautiful lady. Elegant lady from city. Intelligent. Not local village. Girl. Don't annoy me. I'm not doing this.
Oh, hey, Chidera, it's like something is wrong with this brain of yours. Your own is not.
Chidera, you know.
Your own is not.
Chidera, you are mad.
Iwu atami ego n'isi. Hi, alelewo jemma. I can't believe this. Iwu atami ego n'isi nwatakịrị akparị am. Oh my God. Hey, so I am actually taking all this insult just because I want to marry Hillary. Hi, she knows definitely well that I'm going to take a position that will intimidate her in that family. Yes. Let her continue insulting me. Yabarebam, let her keep insulting me. I will never retaliate. I will not react to her insult. But let her wait. Let me finally get married to her brother. Then I will place her to a place where she belongs. Mbappe yanti ngoya jimman. Kangosia. Kangosia. Ye miracle jinti okeme. Hi, mweme wa mubi. Chidera Chaka worom. Chaka worom okwa mu na gi na. Ka na eme nwa okpuru. Let me be pretending. Let me just enter. Mgbanye gi nti. Nya. Ntie gi chaku. Nsogbu ade. Okwa mu na gi. Chidera, no problem.
You did not tell me anything. I will not leave her alone. Are you Hillary? Everyone to Hillary is my brother. Hillary is my elder brother. You mind the way you're talking to me? I'll bite her. Eh? You do what? See.
Why are you girls arguing?
Mama, you're welcome.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you. But you haven't answered my question. What is the argument about?
Mama, Jima just left here.
Oh, my baby girl.
Your baby girl?
Shut up!
Hey.
You this girl, mind yourself. I'm not talking to you. Why did she leave so fast? Or has it been long she came?
No, Mama. Chidera here. Chase her away. Hey! With her usual bad mouthing and insults.
Chidera, are you again? What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me, Mama. I am perfectly okay.
Are you sure you are okay? Are you behaving like someone that is okay? Chidera? See, why am I having this feeling that you came back for this vacation with bags of trouble?
Mama, don't even tell me that. Don't spoil my already spoiled mood. If you're tired of me, tell me. Me too, I'm tired of this village. Tell me, let me pack all my bags and go back to my brother in the city. What am I even doing here?
Nele, look at it. Let me pack my bags and go back to my brother. Oh, I thought you want to go back to your own house. It's not even your house that you're talking about.
My brother's house is my house.
Hi. Mama, now I know why Chidera is always upset. She don't like it here in this village. Yes, because she's always complaining. Is it that she complains of bad network or she complains of mosquitoes or pepper body?
I don't blame you.
I don't blame
Chidera!
you.
I'll buy Chidera, mind how you talk to your elder sister. Are you mad? Come on, Mama, listen.
So your sister is not your mate, you're fighting mate. Rubbish.
I don't know what you was wrong. Why is this girl giving me this trouble? Eh? She is not the one her brother is going to marry. What is her problem? You're welcome. I hope you guys prepare something for me.
Yeah, Chidera, I hope you.
Sorry, I stayed too long. Hi.
You know me normally.
How far now? How you doing?
You been at home?
Yeah. How far?
I've missed you.
Yes.
Man, look at what I think, sir. Don't let go. The money come back and see.
How far? Are you okay?
Now die a deal. Huh? There is no oxygen in that room, no ventilation. I feel so uneasy. As a matter of fact, how can any of these girls even accept you in this in such a room?
Listen to me. Ikenna, I told you why I'm here. If you're not comfortable staying with me, then take a walk. Quietly do that. Don't blow up my cover. Get ready. We're going out in 10 minutes.
Who did this to Hillary? Hey.
Hi, hello. How you doing?
I'm okay.
Well done.
Yeah, well done.
Baby, love me for who I am. Did not love me just because of what I have. What I need is a woman that will feel this backing. Yeah, I am tired of fake love. What I need now is true love. Yeah, so I need someone who will love me selflessly. Under the rain, under the sun, she will be with me no matter the weather. Under the rain, under the sun, she will never give up on me. Where can I find such a woman? Yeah, I don't want to fake love. Come rain, come shine. She would never think of leaving me. Everything she wanna do is to love me the way I am. Baby, love me for who I am. Did not love me just because of what I have. What I need is a woman that will feel this backing. Yeah, I am tired of fake love. What I need now is true love. Yeah, so I need someone who will love me selflessly. Under the rain, under the sun, she will be with me no matter the weather. Under the rain, under the sun, woman, yeah. I don't want to fake love.
Yeah, hello, who is this?
Hilary, oh my love. Baby, what happened? Your number stopped going and you didn't even make any effort to reach me. Issues. But hope you are done with it now. Okay, so where are you now? Please, I want to come and see you. I've missed you. Please. Baby, no now. Do it today. Let me just come and see you today. I've missed you so much. Baby, please. Please now. Okay, I love you so much. I love you and I miss you. Mwah, 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 mwah. My baby boo.
Oh boy, this one where Oga Hilary they run like Marwa when fell break. I go police square.
Why you don't run stop? May you ask her whether everything be alright. You they ask me.
Okoro, see, you dey find my trouble for this compound o. Okoro, see make I tell you for this compound, anyone when na for call yo. Okoro,
Njoku,
anyone when na for call yo.
Njoku, see make I tell you, you just even they come and then they talk anyhow. Njoku, see make I tell you, na me be the oldest tenant for this company.
You consign me?
If you they talk to me, they not they talk to me.
Not under fire you.
You not come and then that way they ask you your question.
Okoro, wait.
What this guy you?
Okoro, wait. On a normal serious note now, the two of them they tamper with my peace.
Nah.
Una they use the peace of my mind they joke. See, I relax here and I make her for fit think well. Una there they make noise. Now me give una wetin una smoke.
Wetin na smoke? Wetin na take?
This guy don't dey teach away from this
No, una they use na own take spoil my own. On a serious note like this now, I no like am.
Give me quickly my chop.
God punish if I give you this quickly, my hand beg.
You too fresh.
Which
cream they use now?
Nothing like that. And you know would be expensive.
Are you serious?
See me.
Oh my God, which kind nonsense is this?
Every time na the landlord na dey use person dey talk. Not na dey use person dey talk. Not na dey use person dey talk.
Hope say no be me una dey gossip this time around. Hope say no be me. Because every morning una go sit down here, borogodom, they gossip, toto, una no go find one. Una no go find one, especially you, Timmy. No, enter this girl, make I use you go damage am o. Which kind thing be this? You go damage am, leave am. I go slap this girl enter ground o. What is this? You don't do. That girl no get voltage. She no dey fear. No, now. You go damage this girl. You no go put mouth for this thing. You be like, if I want fire you are. Thank you.
When you get the money, everybody go follow you. If you know get the money.
Hey babe, sorry I kept you waiting. How are you?
I'm fine.
I missed you so much.
Believe me, I miss you more.
Yeah. What?
Babe?
Are you okay?
Where is your car?
My car?
Yes.
There's no car for now. Besides, my house is not far from here.
Wait. You mean to tell me you stay around this place?
Yes, I do.
Babes, this place looks like a ghetto.
Yes, I know.
Then tell me, what are you doing around ghetto?
Babe, shouldn't we get to where we're going before you begin to ask me questions?
Yeah, sure.
My house is not far. Let's go.
We should.
I've missed you.
I miss you more.
How have you been?
I'm fine.
Sorry I kept you waiting.
It's okay. Fine.
Do you know I cooked for you?
Are you serious?
Careful, this is the toilet.
The toilet?
Yes, if you fall inside, you'll be covered with shit.
No. Where are we going to? What are we doing there, baby?
This is what I mean. Go. Let's go. Be careful. Careful, come. Yeah. Sit down.
I should sit here.
Make yourself comfortable.
No, I can't. Babe.
Make yourself comfortable. Come on.
Ew. Hey, Larry, just talk to me. What are we actually doing here?
What? Listen, you need to make yourself comfortable. Okay, I made you something very delicious.
Babe.
Yes.
Hillary, you expect me to eat in this place?
Yes, palm oil rice. Very nice.
What's wrong with this place?
I'm sorry I've lost my appetite. No. I forgot to tell you. I ate before coming. I'm full. I'm not hungry.
Okay, listen. You need to... I can see you're very hot. The weather is very hot.
Yeah.
So you need to go in, take off your dress, have some shower, come back and relax. It's been a long day.
Going where?
My room.
Where exactly?
Behind you. What? Get up. Get up. Let's go. Get up. I lost everything. No one was willing to help me. My best friend turned his back on me. I had no choice. I had to search for this place. Listen, I know this is not what you expect to see, but trust me, I strongly believe that I'll bounce back before we get married.
Married?
Yes, baby. Of course I had that in mind before my misfortune. Listen to me. I know this is not the appropriate environment to ask a woman to marry me. But trust me, I'm convinced in fact, the Holy Spirit ministered to me that you're going to be my wife.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey, baby, you know I've been telling you I will tell you something. Each time I wanted to come up with that secret, you always tell me to forget about it.
What is it?
When they gave birth to me, the prophet, my parent pastor, he's also a prophet. When he came to pray for me in the hospital, he warned my parents. He told them that I must be a reverend sister. Yeah. And that was actually why I came. I was actually going to see my uncle so we can plan on how I will go to Coventry, you know. But because you know now, I like you a lot. And that was why I decided to come and see you before going to see my uncle. Yes, sir. I will be going to Coventry very soon.
Well, you just got here.
Yes. I just got here just to see your face for the last time before I go to the Coventry, before I go to serve my maker. It was a prophecy. I must fulfill it. Yes.
I made palm oil rice. Can I serve you?
Babe, you know I'm not a fan of rice. I prefer swallow with insala. Azundo, that is fresh fish. Yes. Can you make that?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Thank you. Holy Ghost fire. Me marry this wretched. God forbid I won't. Ha, Baba. Any power, anywhere they are projecting this broke idiot in my life for me to marry him. Holy Ghost fire. Father, I will not marry him. I would rather go to the Coventry. I would rather be a reverend sister than to marry him. Me.
Amen.
Hey.
Hey.
This is delicious. Thank you, Mom.
This girl. Everything about you is perfect.
Mama, Chidera does not know what she's missing for not eating this food.
Madam, I am not complaining. I will just... See, I rather starve than to eat this poison. This food is poison.
The poison you cannot cook yourself.
The jollof rice you ate the other day, uncle.
Okay, oversalted and over peppered jollof rice.
Salty.
Look at you, troublemaker. Cha. See, my daughter. Next week, you are going to meet my son in the city. I want my son to test all these good attributes of yours.
Okay, Mama. Here. Mama, what do you mean she should be going to the city? Why will you send her over to the city without being requested?
Don't listen to her. I say, hear me. Since my son did not want to act and behave himself as a man, I'm going to wake him up to act like a man. You are going to meet him there.
Hey, Mama.
By fire, by force.
Mama, she cannot go there without brother's consent, so it's not done.
Don't mind her. Listen to me. Yes, Mama. And when you get there, this is what you do for me. Dress very well. Okay, Mama. Look very neat. Look very sexy. Understand? What? We wear skimpy things. It's not like this one. Just go and get. I will get things for you. Skimpy things, very sexy, very attractive. See. I want you to be pregnant for me immediately.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama. I don't understand the kind of useless advice is this one.
Mama, all this is you're saying. Okay, from the look of it, Juma is very shy. I don't think she can even do it.
I know. I know she has not done it before. But see, I believe that with my son, it won't be so difficult. It will be very, very easy. I believe what my son can do.
Guy, why I call you come outside to say you get what I worry say. You get this guy really worry my life. For him say you go come this evening, I want more run on the street.
Aye.
Last week. Alhamdulillah, you have fun now. You're fine.
Very good.
How you doing now? That's how we be wrong. When you take speed, take wrong from here. You want us to wait till they pursue you. Any problem?
Nothing happened. We'll talk about it later.
You should say problem, no day.
Prison you later, no worry.
Go fit Chester more.
Don't worry now.
Oh, you know, answer well. What is your problem, sir? You self no standing when I for call you. I said, come now, come. You never feel the one where you dey tell me now.
Are you okay?
Baby, you're back.
What happened?
I don't know. I just developed fever. Where you back, please? Can I have the food? I'm famished.
Yeah, so I went to the market to buy the food stuff.
Baby. The what?
The items to make the food you want.
Hilary, did you bring me here to punish me?
I went to the market to buy the items to prepare the type of food you want.
Hilary, what happened to already-made food? I told you I want to eat salad and fresh fish.
They're all here. All you have to do is cook.
Cook where?
There. That's where I cook.
Me? Cook here?
Yes.
Huh.
With the firewood.
Mama me.
Why? What's wrong?
Hey! Baby, I just told you that I'm not feeling fine. I was supposed to be eating and not to start making the food. And again, I told you that my parents wanted me to be a reverend sister. Now tell me, do they make food in the conventry? No, they don't. They eat already made food, and that is what I expected you to get for me. Why are you wickeding me? Why are you punishing me unnecessarily? Why are you doing that? What are you doing?
That's fine. I'll prepare the food myself.
Yeah, better. You have to be fast about it because I'm famished. I'm hungry. Hungry. Baby, your hand. Mind your hand, please, so you don't injure yourself.
Hold on.
How far?
Kailari.
What's up?
Wow. What's going to happen now?
What's going to happen?
Why you can't cook by yourself when you get this fine woman will come visit you?
Please just excuse us, okay? I'll talk to you later, please.
What's going to happen?
What be Hilary? What concern you for this matter now? You dey craze? What can you come this matter now? Okay, you dey mad?
Hey!
The food where you go guys dey concern you.
Stop that! Hey!
Come for here. Tell us say blood to know the yet or just forget am for your head. They mad. Just dey poke nose up and down. Babe, tell me, is this how they poke nose around this place?
Do you want to get hurt?
I go beat him. I will just enjoy him. He's mad. No pass this place again. If you try and one lie, I go show you say he mad. Babe, I'm famished. Please now, hasten up, please.
Yeah. I have to wash the pots first.
You mean you keep dirty pots inside the house? No wonder the whole house was smelling. Oh God, I don't want...
Baby, love me for who I am. Did not love me just because of what I have. What I need is a woman that will feel this vacuum. Yeah, I am tired of fake love. What I need now is true love. Yeah, so I need someone who will love me selflessly. Under the rain, under the sun, she will be with me no matter the weather. Under the rain, under the sun, she will never give up on me. Where can I find such a woman? Yeah, I don't want.
Bros, this thing where you buy, the woman with the sack there. She said, "May you can't give her money." So she dey wait for you. May you can't give her the money now, because she don't be come and find you. I don't know.
Everything she wanna do is to love me the way I am. Baby, love me for who I am. Did not love me just because of what I have. What I need is a woman that will feel this vacuum. Yeah, I am tired of fake love. What I need now is true love. Yeah, so I need someone who will love me selflessly. Under the rain, under the sun, she will be with me no matter the weather. Under the rain, under the sun, she will never give.
Hey! This lazy man don't break his block. Go. Which can't be this now? Which can't be this? Again. Where they from the carry this kind of person come now? That's when they go for body. What's happening now? You can't break his block. What kind of rubbish this one? Light. See, this block per one na 300. You don't break two. You don't break two like this. You don't break two.
My head. We come on there, come. I beg, come on, come. You don't see this guy. See, Hillary. In there they break blocks. See, this one is the fourth one. I be the sixth one.
The seven.
Now 7 blocks you don't break now. Why now?
Mama, that's why they break block every day. That's why they do. What kind of person is this?
Grown man like you. You are breaking blocks here. You are simply careless.
I tell you.
Madam, please, it was an accident.
Which accident?
Nah, lie.
Which accident?
See, I'm not going to take any apologies from you. You will pay for all the blocks you have broken.
Yes.
If you like, break all the blocks here. I don't
just
care.
worry. Mommy, don't worry. I will know how to pay him.
Listen now, it wasn't deliberate. It was an accident. I didn't
pay him.
I don't want to hear.
Nah, lie, no be accident. You know what they do. You know, too lazy.
I injured my ankle.
Where's the injury? Where's the blood? Nah, lie.
Mama, see me, I tell you. If they do love call every day. You get one girl where they call her for phone. As soon as you get call her, now say you go lose control.
Nah, true.
They break block anyhow.
Nah, true. Why you talk like this now? What's wrong with you now?
It seems you are not serious.
You're not serious to work.
And very soon I will kick you out from here.
Madam, please.
Madam, see accident. This one now. Now 1, 2.
Oh.
See here. 3.
Oh, a whole lot of damage.
4. See this one. 4, 5,
6, 7.
Oh.
See this one now. 1,
Oh, no, this is a whole lot of damages, mommy. Mommy, I will
Mama,
know
4,
how to pay him. I will
5, 6, 7. 7. You don't see him now.
Mama, see.
700.
This sweet work with the manage for here, where they enjoy. More now pursue this man for here, I beg.
No,
we dey enjoy this work.
Don't worry.
Pursue him.
We are going to do that. Please keep an eye on this man. Keep an eye on this laggard.
Madam,
all the blocks he has broken, he's going to pay for all of them.
I will minus the money.
Yes, exactly.
Deduct it from his pay.
Because now personal your money be this.
And very soon, you are going to go empty-handed.
Oh, it was an accident. It wasn't deliberate.
I've seen your seriousness.
I will minus the whole broken blocks. I will minus.
My minus is 6. This one.
I can't believe this. Hillary of all people, poor and miserable. How did he even allow himself to get to that point? He was even seriously speaking about marriage. God forbid. I really want to marry him, but not in this present condition. I cannot. No, I can't. I can't subject myself to suffering and poverty. How does he even manage to live in that place, in that smelly environment? I can't believe this. I can't believe after all the time I invested in this relationship, it ends this way. I can't. Oh my God, I'm just heartbroken now. I'm sad.
Nobody one time at all. Man, when I get money, nothing where you do, where they seem right.
Chidera, what is it? Why are you stopping me? Why are you stopping me?
Of course you know why. Let me tell you. The earlier you stop fooling yourself that my brother, my wonderful rich brother will marry you is better for you. As long as I live, Hillary will never marry you.
But your mother already said
that. Oh, Scott, that's wrong. It has been deceiving you, my mother. And that's why you've been coming to impress my mother. You are a failure. Forget what my mother said though. You stand no chance. I am bold saying it to your face. You stand no chance in getting married to my brother.
You know what? I know why you're scared. You're scared because you know I will definitely end up with your brother. Okay?
You end up with my brother.
Of course. That's why you're scared.
I just hate you. I don't like you. People like you are capable of dominating people's life, and that is what you're going to do. I am not angry that my mother does not see what I'm saying. You are evil!
Chidera, let me talk to you for the last time. Stop fighting me. Stop fighting me. I am not the enemy you have. You better use this same energy and do something better for your life. Stop fighting me. Or do you want to end up marrying your brother?
Oh, Jay. Bring it down, sister. You want to slap me? And you want to marry my brother? You are still raise it up again. I can fight you, but you will not do anything. Look at you. You want to I will tell Mama. You raise your hand on our brother. I will still slap you again. Do your worst. Rubbish. Chidera. You want to marry my brother? Marriage kill you there. Marriage kill you there.
I will not touch you.
Hey, no, I will touch me.
I will not retaliate.
Retaliate? You are speaking English. Village girl that knows English. Retaliate.
Because I know what I'm actually looking for.
You know nothing.
Chinera, if I finally get married to your brother,
Jesus,
I swear. I swear.
I said it though. You swear what? You swear?
I will give you the beating of your life.
Hey, okay. This is your plan. This is your plan. I said it. Green snake in a green grass.
Chidera, try this rubbish.
Let the marriage come and happen. I rather die. Hey, let the marriage happen.
Chidera, I said try this rubbish.
The marriage will never happen.
And I will show you the stuff I'm being made of.
Oh, chaff. Charcoal. That is what you are made of. Charcoal, dust, aja.
Okay. Let me just try it.
So this is your plan.
I'm just leaving you for one thing.
Come and marry Hillary.
One thing.
Come and marry my fine handsome. Ekuke. Blood of Jesus. Ekuke. Come and marry my handsome brother. Come and marry my handsome brother. No nyash. Hillary likes nyash. You don't have. No bread. No, what do you want? Come and marry my brother. Come and marry my brother. You think I will commit to you?
Chidera.
Mama, she's not inside.
Where did she go to?
She left the house in a hurry. I don't know where she was going to.
She left the house in a hurry?
Yes, Mama.
I see.
Chidera, what is wrong?
What is wrong with your sister?
Mama, I can't tell. But from the look of things, all is not well.
Please, go and find out what's happened to her. Go and find out. Go and check on her.
Chidera! Chi?
You say she be an NPC water. Achawo the party. She be a bogey. That girl says she be an NPC water. Achawo the party. She be a bogey. Hey, go get belle. Oh yeah, if my amo
Wait, please. Sorry to cut you short, but please, my girlfriend just came. She's at the bus stop, so I want to pick her up. Kindly tell madam that I went to buy something. Don't.
Sit Oko. Come, you put her for mouth. Not jazz.
No, I'm just begging you guys to continue the walk.
Go, guy, bad break there. See where you see my authority, no, Hillary, I go to work, no be for your butter.
Hillary, you get mine though. Now this kind of place, you can carry woman they come.
No, I'm just telling you guys to continue with the blocks, the bricks, so that I can pick up my
Come on, bro, this guy. Who was this man like this? Joe. I'm not going to walk back. Wait for me. This guy plug safe. See, I swear to God, if madam come, I go report. I go tell madam say this guy don't come out. Carry woman go dey go.
No be me tell you. Remember we tell madam we pursue this guy come out for here. Let me tell you.
Matter na ice cream. But good yo to the yo, oga.
But this what this guy no do no make sense now.
Why you carry woman dey come here? I no get babe. Me I get babe. Go observe am, go drill am. Relax, na see the. We go beat this guy for here. They talk like woman. Mo good yo, go observe this guy. Relax. Yo.
Give me more they carry block, me they carry babe. We they carry block and they carry babe. We dey suffer and they enjoy. See talk. We go get belle.
What I need is a woman that we feel this vacuum. Yeah, I am tired of fake love. What I need now is true love. Yeah, so I need someone who will love me selflessly. Under the rain, under the sun, she will be with me, no matter the weather. Under the rain, under the sun, she will.
Sorry, babe. I was on my way to the bus stop to pick you up. I'm sorry I came late. How are you?
Hillary.
Yeah?
What's going on? What are you doing here?
Maybe that's a story for another day. Come, let's go.
I don't understand. Why are you dressed this way?
Baby, let's go now. I'm sorry I didn't come on time. Let's go. I'll tell you. Come.
Yeah, I don't like that kind of thing though. I tell him, I don't like that kind of thing.
Guys. Sorry. Something just came up. I'm done for the day. Yes. My girlfriend is around, so I have to go home. Please, if madam comes, kindly collect my money for me and keep it. When I come tomorrow, I'll take it from you. Please, pay that woman for me. That woman I bought fruit from.
But sis never knock now, you dey close.
No, I'm done for the day.
Come. Bad break there. They just see one day. Street walk, no be church walk. I go to work, no be church walk.
What's wrong with you now?
You dey crazy.
Since when you come this place, now I know say you get pride. Since when you come this working site, now I know say you get pride.
I said I am done for the day.
So as your errand boys, make you tell madam.
As your errand boys now.
Say your man knows.
As your errand boys, make you tell madam.
Did you not hear when I said please?
Please. When sis never knock,
I said please. Tell madam.
Please kill you there.
Please, kill you there.
Please help me pay that woman I bought food from yesterday.
As your boy,
Carry jazz for mouth they talk.
Mo tell madam na as your boy.
No, I said I'm done for the. My girlfriend came. I need to take her home.
So now this your hand now. They close work.
Hi God.
When sis never know.
Hey.
Oh yeah, pay yourself now.
Hey God.
Wait. But you say make we collect your money for you.
Yes, because I'm done for the day. So if madam comes, collect my money.
No problem. They go. No problem. We'll collect your money. No problem. No problem. They go.
Stop. What are you doing here and what are you doing with this stout?
Who be that? Police you there.
Who be that?
Don't punish your father.
Sorry.
Your father.
Sorry.
Who be that?
No, she didn't
You know
mean
why
it.
be?
She
didn't mean it. See where you at? You don't care. Let thunder fire your generation.
Sorry.
See Nyash. Flat like a coke bottle idiot. Ashani Ibeko.
No even find
Hey,
God.
Meet out. God, this guy don't see office finish oh. Now live. Now Osho free in the do. That's why she no grief full and come out.
Say, let me that I always tell her say. The worst thing that can happen to a man one day. Now see finish.
Na true.
I don't carry banner come where you do pocket walk.
This guy carry banner. Meet out. You don't know me oh. God. This guy the mumu Hillary. See. Thank God say me we collect that money. We go use some buy igbo. For if you go buy yes. The phone call.
No, the man.
Yeah. Like igbo we go buy.
Go buy loud. You know, Miss our
That guy no show free guy.
Nah, see me see one now.
No show free. The guy no give
Small girl, no see Nyash.
Why are you entering here?
Why am I what? I live here. This is where I stay.
No, I thought you were going to.
Come now. Come inside. Be careful. I live here.
You live here.
Listen, be careful. This is a big toilet.
It's toilet.
Yes, you fall into shit.
Shit!
Come here.
Oh my God, Hillary! Hillary, I don't get this. What's happening here? And why did you bring me here?
Babe, I'm very sorry, okay? This is where I live. You know, I started living here after things got really bad for me.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm not joking. I live here.
You live here?
Yes, I do. Listen, things got really bad and I found myself here. Babe, listen, you're sweating. Let me help you.
Hillary, stop! Stop! Don't come close! See, just take me to your hotel. I can't stay here. Take me to a hotel.
Babe, I'm sorry. I can't afford to take you to a hotel right now. Okay, I don't have any money on me. I don't have the money to pay for a hotel for you. Please, let's manage here. It's not so bad.
What do you mean by you can't take me to a hotel? There are cheap hotels out there. Okay, you know what? I'll manage the ones of 10 to 15,000 naira. Just take me there, please. I can't stay here. I can't stay here.
Babe, that amount you're calling is what I make in 3 weeks. Honestly, I don't have that type of money. Please.
Hillary, I can't stay here with you. Can't you see I have a sensitive skin? Do you want to get me contaminated with shit around here? Okay. Are you going to get me treated if I get infected?
But babe, I equally have the same skin as you do. And I'm not infected. Are you trying to say you're not going to stay with me?
Hillary, I'm not staying here with you. In fact, I'm hungry. Let's go to a restaurant, please.
Babe, listen, I don't have money to take you to a hotel. let alone to a restaurant. Babe, listen. We can manage. Honestly, I can make something for us to eat real quick. Yes. Listen, I can go out and buy things on credit. I'm very credit worthy here. People know me in this area.
You're credit worthy?
Yes. Listen, I will make a goosey soup for you. Just give me a second. I'm coming.
Egusi soup. What's this place?
Oh, what is this now, eh? For some months now, his number has not been going through. And it's not like he has reached out to me either.
Listen, girl, you should not conclude yet. Knowing what he's passing through, don't just jump on conclusion.
Well, is it not easy to see that he has possibly dumped me, considering he hasn't tried to reach me?
No, sweetheart. Why should you say that? I'm not sure he dumped you. You know, all you should be doing right now is pray for his well-being, if you care that much about him. Okay? So relax. So right about now, I have to get going. Help me push this aside. Need to make, well, how do I look?
You look good, girl. You look so good.
See ya. You too, baby.
Why are you pretending as if you didn't see me? I'm talking to you too. Ha. Oh, Chim. Are you dumb? Hey. You don't want to talk again? Okay, never mind. I believe that our level is no longer the same. Hey. As you can see, I know you are desperately thinking to know where I'm going with my bag. Let me break it down. As you can see me right now, I'm going to my mother-in-law's house. From there, I'll be traveling to the city to meet with my rich and handsome husband. It has happened. I told you. Hillary will definitely marry me. I am Hillary's wife. Are you seeing the style? You like it, right? Oh, no, Bimbo, look at their faces. I am Hillary's wife, whether you like it or not. And listen, if I get to the city, my step will definitely change. Just watch me. Hey, Hillary. Are you getting it?
Don't worry, I will teach you guys.
Bia Ijoma, I thought you said that Chidera categorically told you that she will not allow her brother marry Jimma.
Yes, she did. She did.
Then explain. Explain why she's going to live with them.
That I can't tell. I can't tell. Maybe her mother finally accepted her into the family.
If that girl, Jimma, finally marries Hillary, nobody in this village will be able to accommodate her arrogance. Because I know within my heart that that girl is faking her personality. She's a pretender. Big one.
No matter how his neck shade his skin, his neck is still his neck.
Abi?
Yes.
Let's go.
Babe, you're scaring me. What is it?
Menstrual cramp, menstrual cramp.
Menstrual cramp?
Yeah.
But you didn't tell me. Hey, wait. Babe, wait. Sorry. But babe, I just got the item for a goosey soup now.
No, I'm not interested.
Wait. What type of menstrual cramp is this now?
They're very dangerous one that can kill.
That can kill?
Yes. I feel like dying.
Wait. We have to go to the hospital. Get up. Get up. I have to take you to the hospital. Wait, I don't have money. Oh. Hey, God. I don't have money. What do we do now?
Don't worry. My doctor will take care of me. Just bring my bag. I
Your
want
bag?
to leave this place.
Okay, wait.
Yes.
Your bag is here, babe. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Babe, listen. Get up. Babe, get up. Listen.
I can't stand.
Babe, you have to help me pretend. So that people don't think I poisoned you.
I can't stand.
Let's go.
I'm losing my breath.
Sorry, wait. Let's go. One step forward now.
I can't walk.
Please, people are... Babe, listen to me. Listen. You have to stay calm, okay? I don't want people to think I poisoned you. There are people watching. Stop, babe. Get up. Hey. Listen, let's go. I understand, but you have to go to the hospital. If you keep standing here, people will think I poisoned you.
I don't want to be again.
Let's go. Let's go. Go. Get up. Move. Go. Get up. Let's go. Careful now. It's okay. I know. I'm sorry.
I cannot even walk.
I'm sorry. Let's go.
Just hold me very well.
I'm holding you. Let's go. Sorry. I'm sorry. Let's go. Just take one step forward.
I wish I cannot go, but I need to go.
Let's go. It's okay. Let's go. I'm so sorry. Let's go. Come. Sorry. It's okay.
My eye dey pain me. I've been awake.
Abeg, where Hillary follow carry this fake ajebo come here?
I'm not sure you go talk.
Clear your mouth. Why I no go talk? You know use eye see wetin that girl there. Come
now
here.
that girl dey come fake there.
See wetin happen? Where that girl dey do like?
She carry
This one drama she did just
She
now.
be like say she just do abortion finish.
Abortion?
Wonder shall not
Oh,
cease
God,
to
wetin dey happen now?
You dey ask everybody wetin dey happen.
No!
You be God.
Help me ask
like
am.
say you dey craze, abi? We be your mate. Wetin dey happen?
I beg you to go.
You just come there ask questions.
Don't get out of
Before person go die, police go come carry me. I don't know wetin dey
You
happen.
don
Don't
carry
get
yourself
out.
finish.
Look at this
Where
one,
you
oh.
wan take answer that person get problem. I don't know where Hillary dey follow carry all those fake girls from they come here.
Why you even dey talk like this? If you don't know something, you no go fit cover your mouth for once. That girl na very correct babe. You think say that girl na fake ajibo? You know they see her body. You know see the way she dey waka. Talk to this girl.
Wait now, I wan ask you one important question. Wetin make you think say she be rich? Abi she be real? Because say she put donkey hair for her head, because say she rub those nyama things for me. See guy, who don't find. I get a nyama pot.
You know what in there? If you get money, in fact, go do your own, make we see. No, if you get money, go package yourself, make we see.
Oh, Okoro, I feel say since when me and you did this company, I suppose don't learn the kind of person you are be. All those things that they freak me, no, calm down, no be my thing. Guy, person don't find. Check me out. No, now, if to say on a normal day, me, I don't gauge. So imagine when I can't rub those things which she rub now, go day up. Like this now, I did this level. But when I apply, I go
I beg, close this your local mouth to know your word.
I don't know the reason why you follow this man, woman, they talk.
Where they come out with bros? No, I go not you, they mad.
We know you.
No, we they come out. We they come out, woman.
I don't know they do this kind of thing. No.
Let's say you want me hunger key for this compound, ba?
You don't do
that. See, it's just why they give food for this compound. They go put my come in
I beg, no, they give me.
I go use run enter you.
No, you don't do.
I go use run.
God, why? Why would you allow Hillary go that poor and wretched? I was actually depending on him to give my poor parents in the village a better life. Now look at me. After all the efforts I made to be a good woman and act as the best for him, this is where it finally ends.
About? Why are you doing this? Why are you littering the whole place I just swept now? Why?
Do you want to cry? It means you should start afresh. Start afresh!
Yeah, for crying out loud. Why do you just hate me this much?
Thank you! At least you have the knowledge that I hate you. I hate you with passion. I swear. Oh. Yes.
Really?
Yes. You are a fake person. You are a devil, a disguise. You are not a good person. You are not. Where is Obi get the bad?
You know, what have I done to you?
Why? You've done everything wrong. Leave my brother alone. Happen my...
What is going on here?
Mama, they're just discussing.
Please, it's not so to me. It doesn't look so to me. Why is everywhere littered with bread?
Is she not cleaning? That's what she's good at. Cleaning.
Chidera, what is wrong with you?
Mama, nothing is wrong with me. Every morning she will come. I want to know if there is anything I want to do for you people. She's cleaning.
Chidera, why did you litter everywhere? Did my cleaned? Why?
For her to start afresh.
Hey! Chidera, you are wicked. You are very, very wicked.
Mama, I'm not wicked though. I'm not wicked. Your daughter cannot be wicked.
Chidera, you are getting on my nerves. And I'm not taking it light with you any longer.
Mama, on your nerves. Because of this non-entity. This village girl.
Cut it! Stop insulting your brother's wife to me. My brother's wife. Are you mad?
My mother slapped me because of you. You will see. My brother will never marry you. My brother will never marry you.
Allow me to deal with her once and for all.
Jima, hope she did not hurt you.
No, she didn't.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Where is this Hillary safe? I'm even trying to call him. Number no they go. Hey. Hey. Oh, not reachable. Not Hey. No, this number is not going. Now what is wrong with this Hillary? Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Oga, they go now. They pass, they go where you they go. You just see person, you just stand, they do hi. Hi. What is hi? What is hi? Oga, because they go, and they wait for somebody. You stand here, they do hi. Hello? He's busy. This number is not connected. Why is he busy in my calls now? Eh?
Hello.
Pick up now. His phone is ringing and he's not picking up. Pick up now. Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi. This is Hillary.
Hello?
This is Hillary. It's me.
Huh?
Yes, my name is Hillary. How are you?
Are you the Hillary I came to see?
Yes, my name is Hillary. How are you?
Hey! Wait, let me just understand. Are you the Hillary I came to see all the way from the village? Mama Joyce's son?
Yes.
Hey!
What is it?
Hey!
What's wrong?
Eh? I don't understand. Your mother said that you are living in a very big mansion that has a tarred road. Look at this place.
But there's nothing wrong with this place.
You don't understand now? This place is not tarred. They say your house is tarred.
How are you? How's your journey?
Don't ask me that. I don't understand. This is not what Mama Joy told me. Oh. Hey, no. This is not what Mama Joyce told me.
Okay, listen. It's me, Hillary. Okay, can you kindly go to the stream, that stream over there, and fetch me some water?
Oga, are you joking? Are you joking?
No, I'm not.
I don't even understand. I'm just coming. You're asking me to go and fetch water for you.
What's wrong with that?
Because spare me that nonsense, Joe. Please, I'm hungry. If you have anything, come and give me. And I want to go and see that your big mansion. I am here to live in a big mansion. That is why I'm here. My intention is, once I get here, I want to go and learn how to drive car. So that I will drive one car to another. I'm not fetching any water. Ha.
For the last time, kindly fetch water for me.
Hey.
Go to the stream and fetch some water. It's as simple as that.
You don't get it. I said I'm here to see a big mansion where your mama tell me say you dey stay. And you're telling me to go and fetch water. I am not fetching any water for you.
Okay, fine. That's okay. I'll fetch the water myself.
Now you are talking now.
But you have to wait for me. Okay. I promise to show you the mansion when I come back.
Hey, now you are talking now. Show me mansion. Let me eat better food. Drink water. Drinks. Relax. You're telling me to go and fetch water. Which kind of fetching of water be that one?
So will you wait for me?
I will wait. Shebi, you go show me the mansion?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, I'm waiting already. Hey, now you are talking now. Mansion. That is why I'm here. Hey! Hey! Chimo. Mama Joyce Ebukwanumo. My enemies have gotten me. Oh, witchy now Bajuna village. They will laugh at me. Hey! What can I bother? Look at the short nika he's putting on. Look at this top. Look at the basket, whatever hat he's putting on. Hey! Chim.
Come, let's go. Let's go.
Hey. Where is the big mansion you say you're taking me to?
Follow my lead. I'm taking you there. Let's go.
This is the way to the mansion.
I'm taking you to the mansion, yes. Follow me.
I
don't follow you now. I don't tell you now. I tell you. I say go take gun. Shey they get me fast. I know that. Guy, they shout for me. I know deep for that. I dey hear you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Where is the mansion you said you're taking me to?
Follow me, I'll show you the mansion.
Okay, this is the road to the mansion.
Yes, come.
Now he's coming.
Dust your legs. Huh? Dust your legs. Come now.
Where is the mansion now? Where is the mansion? You said you're taking me to a mansion.
Are you not? This is a mansion.
Hey!
Come here. Where are you going?
Hey!
Come.
Mama Joy have killed
Get
you.
inside.
Hey!
Mansion or no mansion. The truth is, I want to get married to you. I know things are very, very rough for me right now. Things are terribly bad for me right now. But listen to me. Nobody knows tomorrow. Marry me. Let us build a new life together. And by the grace of God, things might change.
God forbid! I can never marry a low man like you. I can't! See! Your mother even bought sexy clothes to seduce you. What am I going to seduce about you now? Is it the basket you are putting on? A scarf? Or is it this old polo, old knicker, sea slippers? Hey! Chineke! I can't, so I can't sleep solo to marry you. Bam, 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 bam.
Listen to me. I understand you want to leave. You can't leave tonight because it is late. Please stay back, pass the night here, then tomorrow morning you can leave.
I am not a baby. I will find my way. I'm going back to the village. I can't stay here. I can't sleep over. Hey, Shimo, look at room. See ceiling. Hey, Chukwota, see room. Hey, see ceiling. See window. Hey! No, I can't stay here. I want to go.
You're not going anywhere.
I said I want to go. Now leave me alone. I want to go. I know my way to the village. In fact, don't even bother taking me to the park. I can go. I said I want to go now. I want to go. Hey, I want to go. Hey, I can't stay here. I want to go.
It's not safe for you.
It's safe.
For your own safety.
My chi, you protect me.
Chidera! Chidera, I've been calling you. Chidera, I've been calling you now. I saw bags arranged in our room. What for?
I'll be traveling to the city tomorrow.
But I thought we came for vacation. Why are you leaving so soon?
I want to go to the city and see Brother Hilary. Face to face. There is something very important I want us to discuss. Hey, I know you want to talk about food. Don't worry, this one is face to face. Face to face. He'll be looking at me, I'll be looking at him, and we'll discuss it very well.
Just like that. I don't understand. Like, did you make this plan before now? You didn't even tell anybody.
I don't understand. This one is just like that. No. Am I supposed to apply for an interview? Okay, I should submit my CV before going to see my own brother.
Calm down.
Hey, let me go and get visa.
Chidera, it hasn't gotten to this.
Hey, that statement, I don't like it. Don't spoil my mood.
What is happening? What is it?
Mama, I saw bags arranged in our room and I asked Chidera what for. She said she's going to the city tomorrow.
Chidera? You should say the truth.
Tomorrow.
Did she tell you?
No, Mama, she did not tell me. I'm just hearing this now for the first time.
Chidera, why this sudden traveling of a thing? What happened?
I want to go and see Brother Hilary. Now nothing will stop me.
Yeah, Chidera, if you are going to the city to torment that innocent girl, you will not like what I will do to you. Did you hear me? Allow that girl to bond with your brother in peace. You know, yeah? Did you hear me? Did you hear what Mama is saying?
Also, did you
shift
English? Shift. Mama wants to go. If Mama is talking, don't talk. You're talking to your elder sister. Which elder sister? I'm the last born.
are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Better don't even go there. Forget it. Don't even go there. Hey!
Why are you not sleeping?
I say sleep. Don't spare me that, because you and your mother deceived me. You and your mother plan to get me pregnant if I come to the city. It will not work for you. It will not go work. I gotta walk room now. Hey! So that is your plan, eh? To get me pregnant.
Can you lie down and sleep?
I don't want to sleep. I'm not sleeping again. What does Nanya? I'm not gonna sleep again. Hey! Chim. Don't. Your body should not touch me again. Don't touch me, oh. Now, so that you shit my pants. Hey! See everywhere smelling. See the clothes. Hey! It will not work for you. Hey, Mbano, you and your mother. Hey, it will not work. Hey, God, I want to leave this place. Mbano, like, see, I'm sweating. No fan. Which fan? No light. Talk of fan. See it. Hey! Oh, no, Mama Joyce has finished me. Hey! Look at the whole place. So dirty. See net, see clothes, see zinc. Hey! Hey! Chimo! My enemies has finished me. Hey! Chim. Oh, is this Obodo Ibo? See? Hey! Can you imagine? This idiot brought rice, tomato, onions. I can't cook food for him. So I can go chop and die. Or chaka or maka. Come and eat now. So, nonsense. Don't go there.
When you get the money, everybody go follow you. Aye. If you no get the money, everybody go run away. But the truth to be said, na money we find papa. If you get the money, make you go and thank your God. Cause man when not get the money, they say something. Man when not get the money, while they for a month. Man when not get the money, nobody want time at all. Man when not get the money, nothing way he do when they seem right. Yeah. Those who they claim say they love you, but they love not the money. If the money go, they go follow and go. All them girls, them be good.
Hey. What is all this? I've been walking down this city road since morning. Nobody have even asked me if I'm taking anything or how I'm doing. Okay, see, all the motorway they pass here, I go just wave. They go just open teeth. Nobody they even stop to ask me if I don't chop. They no one even come carry fine girl where they like me. I no fine. I'm fine now. Hi. What am I going to do now? Hey, Mbano. Going back to that ghetto. Hey, Mbano. Oh, when you obiam. Mbano, I can't go there. I can't go back to that place. That go for second area. Oh my God. Wait, this car need a pass now. My sin go fit stop carry me. He didn't even stop. Just they look at me like Ishiewu. Am I not fine? Why are you looking at me? Can't you even stop? Another car no dey pass. Hi. I go egbukwan n'obodo nke a because how am I going to survive one? Hi. And Mama Noma, I think I drop this bag first. This is the heavy. And Mama Noma have been praising this her son. That the son get money. He get car. He get fine mansion for city. He even say he get hello pray. Finally, I come dey enter for inside ghetto. Guy, God forbid. I can't live with him inside that ghetto. I'm na want to poverty. Bam! I can't. Hey! Mbano, I can't continue like this. I don't even know. I don't even know. Hey, Mbano. I can't end up with that guy. My father's house in the village is even far better than this one. Hey, Mbano. Hey, Gemma, you can't stoop too low. Today sleep for ghetto. Hey, Mba. What am I going to do now? Eh? Hey, okay. Be like another car the park. I know that you will stop me. Hey! Stop! Hey! Aman! Hey, another one. See, this one na Jeep. They open teeth now. Which one in the open teeth they do like this? Stop! Oh. Oga, stop now. Another car they park. Hey! This one carry siren. See dog. Oh. See dog. No stop, I beg. They go. Hey, Jesus. Eh? See mouth as the dog open mouth. Mbao. I no stop you. They go, Oga. They go in now. I no want to see the dog. Burun kita gelawa. Chineke opusilo.
Hello? Mama, I'm fine.
I can sense that tells from your voice. Hey. I guess Jima is taking good care of you.
Mama, she's no longer here. She left this morning.
What? What happened? Did you guys quarrel?
Mama, she just left. I guess I'm not the type of husband she expected to see, so yeah.
Hey, Chimo, Hilary. I'm sure you did not chase that girl out.
Mama, I did not do anything. She just left. You know me now. You know your son. I can't do anything.
Hey. No. I don't believe it. Jima, that I myself personally asked to meet you. Jima is not like that. Please tell me what you...
Mama, can we just let it go, Mama? Let's talk about something else, please.
You will tell me that I will listen to, rather than you getting a wife and giving me grandchildren.
Mama, I am working on it, and very soon you're going to get grandchildren. I have to go now.
No, wait. Hilary, wait. Hello, Hilary. Are you aware that your sister is on her way to your house?
What? How? No, she didn't tell me. Mama, I'm not around. I traveled. I'm in Jalingo.
Oh, this says it all. So you mean this is how you chase that girl out? Because, anyway, your gate man will welcome her, please.
Mama, no. Mama, I sacked my gate man and I changed my locks. So there's no one to receive her when she comes. Mama, the house is completely locked up. I'm going to call her when I'm done talking to you. I'll probably send her some money to get a hotel for herself. Because there's nobody in the house. Mama, I have to go now, please. Mama, I have to go. Mama, I'll call you back later, please.
Neighbor.
How far?
What's your update?
To the soap, though.
Everywhere good, though.
Siam, Oga Hilary.
Yeah.
You know, say, for this compound, I may like you pass. And as I tell like you, I want more they do like brothers and brothers.
Yeah, what's in the soap now? What's it happen? Let me know how far.
Oga Hilary, you get what's in I want ask you.
See, how far now?
No verse, no verse.
Now I go verse. What's in the soap?
I did see these fine girls when they visit you for here. How you tell it to them? They surprised me. Fine girls, they come. I want to know how you tell they do this things.
I try to understand you. How you mean?
Okay, Hilary, no they pretend. Why you do this kind of thing? Me and you know what to they talk. See, make I tell you. Me and you will not say we dey for the same level. We'll not get money. But no get the reason my matter. I go sit down, I go dey observe the kind fine girls who dey waka. One go come out, one go enter, one go come out. Yellow, black. I say no. All these things, make me and you reason like neighbors. How you did it do all these things? Make I still change joy here. Put me for this game. Find one for me. Find one for me. What's the 10 day? You know easy. Find one for me. Yes. Find one for me.
And wait, come sit down now. Make I find one for you now. Sit down.
My sit down.
Wait for me at the come. Yo, sit and wait for me. I'm coming.
Make I sit down.
Hey, you make I find one for you now. Give me.
Correct guy. Oga Hillary, I don't believe you. Hila, you locked door against me. Oga Hillary. Hila. This thing what you do no go help us so. As neighbor, if you change a goose, you give me a goose, I change. If you eat dry, you give me dry, I eat. You not greedy, yo. Hila.
Are you okay?
Sure, I am. I'm fine.
Are you enjoying that?
Yes. Sure.
That's good.
But tell me, how long do you intend staying here?
Honestly, I wish I have an answer to that question, but I'm sorry, I don't. I've tried to get a decent job so I can, raise some money to leave this place, but I'm sorry, things are very difficult now.
So what about your friends? Can't you ask any of them for help?
Well, it's quite unfortunate. I've done that severally. I've tried to ask for help, but no one is willing to help me. And you know what they say? When you have money, friends will come around. When you don't have money, they will all run away. So that's what I'm going through right now. But I strongly believe with you by my side, everything is going to be okay.
I pray so.
Yeah. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
Because since you came into this house, you've been different from how I used to know you.
No, it's not what it seems like. Just that I'm tired. Yeah.
So what are you tired of? What are you tired about? Are you tired of...
You know the journey.
Oh, you're tired of the journey?
Yes.
But the way you're eating this thing...
No.
Are you angry?
I'm fine, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I'm good.
Okay then, give me a kiss if you're sure. Another one. Good.
Baby, love me for who I am. Did not love me just because of what I have. What I need is a woman that will feel this.
When I was saying it, I was fighting it. They thought it was out of hatred. Look at it. Your candidate has gone to the city and followed men. Okay.
How did you know she went to follow men? How? Were you there?
Look at this one. Why are you asking me that question? Let me ask you. Who does she know in the city? Who? Hey! Let me even tell you. The father confirmed that she called. And she said, hey, nobody should call me. Nobody should bother looking for me. I am not coming back to this village. Imagine. How? So, I am strongly saying that something must have happened. And that I will find out. She has gone there, roaming around the city. Rubbish.
What will people say if eventually something happens to this girl? Hi, Jimma. Jimma, why did you do this to me? Jimma, why? God, please. Keep her safe for me, God, please.
God, please hear my mother's prayer. Oh. Mama, you are not complaining. You see, her reasons is even what I don't want to know. I don't want to know what her reasons are. But I believe that something must have happened. Something must have happened. But very soon, Hilary will tell me.
What do you think happened? Is it because you did not see him in the city when you went there? I don't just know.
Let me tell you, my instinct never lies. That's why I've been fighting. From beginning, something was pushing me. Fight this girl. Fight this girl.
Fight her!
Mama. Hey.
Come on!
Get Mama.
I said, she's away from me. Get out!
It's Mama.
Oh God.
Mama, leave Chidera. Leave her alone. Are you sure this girl is okay? Eh? What she went for in the city, if Hilary did not accept her, she should have just carried herself and come back now.
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. I'm only praying to God to keep her safe from me. I don't know what people will say about us.
This is not good at all. This is not good.
Babe, so I have all the soup items here. Oha, crayfish, banga, cocoyam, pepper, and this.
Okay.
Right? Just make it. If you need any more food item, just let me know. I'm very, very credit worthy here.
Okay.
You can go outside and get some. Okay?
Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What's wrong now? You're not looking fine. What is it?
Baby, I'm fine. Don't worry.
You're sure?
Yes. I'm good.
You're good? Okay, I'll be inside, huh?
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Okay.
Okay. You can make the firewood?
Yes, I will.
All right.
I'll manage.
That's fine.
Hello.
After what's happening?
Please, can you help me out with something?
It's me done now. Talk. I did hear you.
See, I want to prepare small soup, but I don't know how to use the firewood. I'm allergic to it. Can you help me?
I want to make you the speak big English. Stop it. Tell me how much you want to pay.
Okay, so I'll give you 10,000 naira.
Normally 10,000 small, but I go manage them because say inside all the girls say they call me and I be my favorite.
Did you say girls?
No. And girls. Okay. A mistake. I mean say inside all in friends so they come here. You understand? Now you are like pass. You now find girls.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Let's start now.
No, go bring the money first. Money for am back for
that. Start first. Now let me bring the money.
No be so they do business.
Okay.
As they put the money for am.
Don't worry, I'm bringing it.
Do quick. You know get any other thing what they do for this gate, it will not be food.
It's your hustle. Everything is here.
Finishing work.
Yes.
You see they use me for this area now.
Are you serious? Oh, thank you so much.
I dey cook.
I trust you. Hey.
I dey cook. How many pepper you buy?
It's enough. Pepper is enough.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's enough. Okay, sponge. See knife.
Bring knife. Bring sponge. Okay. Fast. If I cook this food for you finish, guy, you go give me contract.
Baby, she's my friend. I didn't know she stays in this compound. Baby, she's my friend. I know her way back.
Like this now, I do business, so.
What's going on?
Your babe pay me. I talk to you like this, 10K in my pocket.
Yes.
Where I go? I want cook for now. If I cook this food finish, you go pay me make I come down.
Wait, you paid her to cook for us?
Yes, I gave her 10.
Why would you do that?
Baby, she knows how to cook. Oh. Hey, she can cook very well.
I bet add me more pepper. This pepper no go do.
Don't worry. Just
bring more pepper.
What?
Yes, that one is okay.
Are you sure?
Baby.
For me, this pepper no go do. Benny, I'm manager.
Wait, you gave her money to cook?
Yes.
Why did you do that?
Baby, I can't make use of the firewood.
What happened to your hands?
Nothing.
Baby, don't worry.
What is wrong with your hands?
Yes, baby.
What happened to your hands?
Baby, nothing. Don't worry, she'll cook it very well.
Hey,
I know her.
leave this place now.
I mean, like, you want to spoil my business.
I said leave this place!
Let them shout from me. Let them shout. Let them return money after payment.
No problem, you can
be
go.
like,
I said go, I'll do the cooking myself.
why you dey spoil contract? Let them shout for me. Now my neighbor is. I say rent so you pay for your now. Pay no shout for me. Try.
Baby, we would have allowed her to cook the food.
I'll do it myself since you can't do it.
Okay. Should I help you?
We feel this vacuum, yeah. I am tired of fake love. What I need now is true love, yeah. So I need someone who will love me selflessly. Under the rain, under the sun, she will be with me no matter the weather. Under the rain, under the sun, she will never give up me. Where can I find such a woman? Yeah, I don't want a fake love. Hey, come rain, come shine. Hey, she would never think of leaving me.